Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're well. So today I'm going to be sharing this amazing dish called msakhan. It's a Palestinian authentic dish and I just can't wait to share it with you. It was absolutely delicious and I hope you enjoy it, inshallah. So first up I'm going to be showing you the spices that I'm going to be using. So I've got 1 teaspoon of all spices, and you can get this from any supermarket. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of clove powder, and I just basically grinded them. Half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, salt to taste, about 1 teaspoon initially, and then if you want to add more you can. And I've got about 2 tablespoons of sumac. So put all this in a bowl and just give it a good mix, and now this is ready. So I have 4 chicken here. You can actually use about 2 more chicken extra with the spices that I've used today. So now I grinded about 8 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to give that a good rub into the chicken all over so that it's marinated really well. Now the spice that we just made, I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and I'm going to leave the rest for later on, but I am going to be using all this spice. Not going to leave anything. So yeah, we're just going to again marinate this really well into each piece of the chicken. Now squeezing a full lemon, and we're just going to leave this aside for 30 minutes. Okay, so in a pan I've added 2 tablespoons of oil, and now adding 1 medium-sized onion. So this is kind of the main ingredient as well, having caramelized onion for this dish. So when it's lightly brown like so, we're going to be adding our marinated chicken. And oh yes, I'm not going to leave any little bit. I'm going to use all that juice, all that garlic, and it's just smelling absolutely amazing right now. Now adding boiled water in here, and I'm going to leave this to cook for about 30 minutes on low to medium heat. Just to give it a colour, I also added a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and also adding 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. So like as before, caramelized onions are really important for this dish and it brings it all together. So in a pan, add a bit of oil, and I'm now going to be adding 2 medium-sized onion, and we're going to cook this. Now adding cumin and coriander powder, about 1.5 teaspoon, and also that spice that we used earlier. I'm just going to give that a good mix and let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. So mashallah, the chicken is ready, the caramelized onion are ready, and this is now to prepare. So what I'm going to finally do, this is the final step for this, is put the chicken in a oven proof dish, and we're going to cook this for about 15 minutes in the oven on high temperature, just to give it a colour. This is the gravy that was left from the chicken, and we're also going to use this. Okay, so now we are preparing the garnishing. So almonds, I've put them in a boiling water and just peeling the skin. In a pan, add some oil, and we're just going to roast the almonds. And oh my god, roasted almonds are literally the best thing in the world. So now let's prepare this. So just getting everything gathered, and we also need naan. I got this shop bought one, but if you want to make it at home you can do as well. I have got a naan recipe on my YouTube channel if you want to make your own. So what I'm doing now is I made triangular shapes of the naan and just dipping it in the gravy like so. Now adding the caramelized onion. So I've taken the chicken out of the oven, and that colour is amazing. Now just putting that on top like so. And finally adding the roasted almonds, and add a generous amount, because honestly that crunch with this chicken with the naan is super duper yummy. And there you go guys, this dish is now ready to serve. Try it, do let me know how it goes. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.